Here we have Bose T1 Tonematch audio engine and a piece of power supply. What I'm trying to do in this video is to make an external power supply to this audio mixer, and I'm checking the output voltage of this power supply and I'm getting 15 volts negative. I need to adjust this at least to get the maximum voltage. With this power supply, I can only get 17.26 volts, the maximum. And the rated voltage of this Bose audio mixer is 18 volts, negative and positive 18 volts. So we need the split power supply, positive and negative and ground. I need to put markings on this power supply so that it will be easy for me to identify the volts, and also the pin configuration. And we do have here cable, internet cable. I have to cut the other side just to solder it on the power supply pins. The number of the pins are 8 pins. I just put tape on this side just to put the pins 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pin number 1 is for the ground. Pin number 4 is for positive line. Pin number 7 is for negative line. And the rated volts is 18. I don't have 18 volts, at least I have 17 volts where it's closest to 18. And now I'm going to trace the lines for the ground, positive line and negative line. Once my digital tester create continuous buzzing sound, which means this is the lines that we trace. Now we get the ground line, which is pin number 1. I had to put markings on it. Ground. Next is we need to get the positive line, which is pin number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pin number 4. And yes. I also put markings on it for the positive line. Next is for the negative line, which is pin number 7. Okay, so now we have complete lines, which is we do have ground, positive lines, and negative line. Let us confirm. Ground. Okay. Positive. Okay. And the last one is negative. Okay also. And I need to solder this to power supply, which I already had a marking on it. I'm gonna start soldering the positive line, and the next one is for the ground line. And the last one is for the negative line. I already soldered the three lines, which is positive, ground, and negative. I am going to check if I can get the correct bolts. The number 4 is positive. Yes, positive 17. Pin number 7 is negative 17. That is correct. Now let's try it. On the first try, I can get blank LCD. Our system's not working, and there's something wrong with it. Some lines are missing on this part. So I need to peel it off the shielding of this wire and looking for the ground. Actually, I already traced only 3 lines, but there's something missing line, and I'm just checking right now the groundings. Okay, I don't want to open up the device, so I used PL cable to trace the negative or the ground lines. So here we have 2 lines for the ground. And I need to connect these 2 lines to the ground, and I am going to test it again just to confirm the ground connection on these lines. Okay, the additional ground is for pin number 5. Additional ground, pin number 5. The next ground is okay. This is pin number 8. Pin number 8 ground. So we do have 3 lines for the ground and 2 lines for the line supply. So these 3 grounds must be connected to the ground line. And I'm going to confirm if the ground lines are all complete. And yes, Now I'm going to do the final testing. Power on. And yes, we do have system complete running right now. Okay guys, hope you learned something on this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless.